Go, and now I'll say about polygon. Okay, so let's draw. That is draw poly. What draw poly will do? For it is for drawing polygon. That is example rectangle, triangle, hexagonal, any like shapes like that. So example, I'll give it as. Wait, I'll give an example. Should I mention your only? Okay. So example 3, comma A. This is what is actually, okay, 3 is the number of points you want to provide with a shape. A is the array name. Because poly is supported by the, you will have to provide an array. But you will practice code, you will know what it actually it is. You have to provide a first array with some values, and then you can access this draw poly with the array in the argument. Okay, so you have to provide an array name. Next is if you want to fill this poly. So fill poly to comma again array name. So it fills with default field color. If you don't provide any color, it will fill of course with white. Then if you want to change it, then you can change it by set field. Once again, I'll just provide a space so that you know. If you want to change color of the polynomial, this function is mostly used for that. That is set fill function fills the color of the entire specified area, that is entire poly. It will fill the color of it. You can mention it. Okay, it's for the current fill pattern. Remember, for shapes it is for flood fill, not set fill color. I'll give you the example of this. Example I am providing pattern name. There are many pattern name. When you will write it, you will get many options. And example I am providing yellow. Okay, so this is solid fill pattern name, and green is the color name. It is having a 2 argument function. Alright, so we can example once you are done. Okay, example I am providing a poly after this, or anything like example I'm providing bar. Okay, so all like bar functions, it's like what bar was having. You should might know it right now what is bar and how much argument. So you can see I've shown you it has a 4 argument function, that is a starting. 2 arguments are starting point, and last 2 arguments are the ending point. Alright, so I'm providing a bar, then set fill style. This bar will be filled in yellow color. Okay, so you now know what is set fill color. Now I told you for the filling the shapes with color, you have to use flood fill. It is used to fill an area with current field and pattern, with current field. Okay, so example, let's take again about bar. Okay, so I've taken a bar coordinate. Okay, so I have just flood fill, and I said 200 comma 200 comma, I said it as again yellow. Okay, so what it is, if I say you about the syntax, then flood fill int x comma int y comma int border. So this is the syntax. You can get what it yeah, so it will, the first 2 coordinates are the x and y coordinate. Yellow is the border color you have to fill with. The current shape you have provided will fill it except. So x and y coordinate what you have mentioned. Wait a second, I'll provide something else because it's really mean it, otherwise it will not show you border. Yeah, example I have provided this x and y coordinate. So this x and y coordinate should be in the area of whiteboard, in the area of bar. If it's within the area, that is 150 and 150 are the coordinates within 100 and 200, so yes, it will border the yellow color to the bar. If it is not, then it will not border yellow color. Instead, it will fill the color outside with yellow, leaving the bar. Okay, so now next is about get color. Okay, it is to use to get the current drawing color. Okay, it is used to get the color drawing color. I think this is capital, a small little, yeah, small. Next is get arc coordinates. Okay, so this is to get the coordinates of arc. If you have drawn many arcs, then it will get of the last coordinate of the arc. Like last arc you have drawn, it will get the coordinate of that. Next is get max color. It returns maximum color value of the screen. That what it means, that is to, if you will get to know the total number of color available. You have many color with requirement total maximum how much it is, you will get to know by this function.